Alright class, today we'll be learning math. Mr. Oliver, can I use the bathroom? Yes you can, classic caillou. And make it quick. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Yay, I just pulled the fire alarm. OMG, I need to get over here. Kids, there's fire on the building, and we need to get out here because the fire is coming. Finally, the fire is gone and will be saved. Attention students and staffs, there's no fire on the building, so classic caillou, go to the principal's office right now. If you pull the fire alarm. No. Do not lie to me, classic caillou, tell me the truth right now or else I will call the police. Yes I did. Pulling the fire alarm is serious crime. You are not supposed to pull the fire alarm at school. Now you are suspended for a year. Classic caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That is it. Today is your third punishment day. No please, not again with the second one. No it is not, you have been the third punishment. First punishment, taking a cold shower. Oh no, not this again. Washington, it's so cold I'm freezing. Washington, hey. OMG, I'm now freezing. I don't care if you're freezing. Moving on. Second punishment, eating blue cheese and rotten cheese. No please, I don't want to eat blue cheese and rotten cheese. Shut up, you are eating this right now. That tastes so gross. I'm going to throw up. I don't care what about it. Moving on. Third punishment, spending in the forest for 3 hours. 3 hours later. Fourth punishment, pooping you again. Pooping on you. Pooping every here. Pooping here's comes. Shut up, classic caillou. Moving on. Fifth punishment, make it you drink hot sauce. No, I don't want drink again. I don't care, drink it. Washington, my mouth is burning. Washington, hey. I don't care about it. Moving on. Sixth punishment and final punishment, spending the night in hell. No. 2 days later. Okay, your punishment day is over, but also, you are grounded until the school ends. Washington, hey.